Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to remove video background in your Windows laptop. So in this video, we are going to use Capcut. That is the best and powerful video editing application. This one. So I'm using the Pro version. You can use that. So as we know, this software is available for different devices like iPad, Android, and many operating systems. Let me go and open the software. Now here, let me go here. You can see this one is the file for which I want to remove the background. Here you can select create a project. Now let me go back and drag this file here. Then you can drag this file here. And now here you can see this file is still loading. So I want to clean this part. Here you can see this one is some black screen. So I want to remove this one. Just I can use split tool and remove this one. After that, click here on the video. Here you can see this one on the top right side, basic features, remove BG. This one is the second. Then you can select this one, auto removal. So make sure that you are using Pro version. You can also use chroma key features. Now here you can see it has started working on it, and it will take few minutes. After that, your video file background will be removed. So let's see how it works. So guys, here you can see this one is the final result. Video background is removed. You can add some external background. Let me go and import a background file. This one. You can get this type of backgrounds from Google. Here you can go and type YouTube Studio background image. Then here you can find out different websites from where you can easily get this type of images. So now let me go and open Capcut. Now here you can see background is on the top and video is behind. So first of all, let me drag it here. Then increase the length, extend it. Okay. Now this video is behind this background. So background should be behind and video should be on the front. How you can do that? Simply you can drag it on the top, and then background should be at the bottom. So guys, here you can see this one is the final result.